What I love about wood is its versatility and durability.
When you arrive in the morning and you smell the wood, it makes all the difference. Wood is just beautiful to work with.
It emanates warmth. I really like that about wood. My name is Annkathrin Nestle, co-owner and CEO at Nestle Fenster.
We are a family business and possibly the oldest window manufacturer in Germany.
Our business started more than 400 years ago, and my sister and I are the 12th generation.
We manufacture wood, wood aluminum, and PVC windows, as well as wood, wood aluminum, and PVC doors, and mullion transom facades.
We plan, manufacture, and install, all from a single source. Until the 1990s, we were just a small company, but then we grew considerably. At that time, my father took over the business from his father, and I am proud of how my parents further developed the company.
Man hat gebaut, Mitarbeiter eingestellt.
We expanded our facilities and hired employees. Towards the end of the 90s, we decided to break new ground and take production to a higher level. This led us to stepping into machine-based production of windows. Meanwhile, HOMAG was looking for a cooperation partner to position itself in this market segment.
Marktsegment aufzustellen.
And of course, we were proud to become a partner of HOMAG.
Our cooperation with HOMAG started out with a modified CNC machine for furniture production.
Also ich bin zur Firma Nestle.
When I joined Nestle, the first machine was already in operation. I then witnessed the transition first to the next development level of those machines and later to the through-feed machine. The prototype was a bit of an experiment for both sides, with input from Nestle and output from HOMAG. I believe the coffee machine was never used as much as during the time when the entire HOMAG team was here. In my view, the key quality for a partnership consists in both parties meeting at eye level, and I can confirm that is how HOMAG works. Every solution we found together emerged from a partnership of equals, and all the employees who've been involved in this long term can testify to that.
Berichten.
Also von den ganzen Maschinen.
Of all the machines we saw at the trade fair, we like the one from HOMAG best so far. We also heard feedback from other customers who really appreciate the high degree of precision. Particularly the new 800 series runs very consistently and accurately. This makes it very easy to work with. You can concentrate on what you're doing with the machine instead of consistently having to check whether you need to readjust something.
Nachjustieren.
The greatest challenge we're currently facing is the shortage of skilled workers. By using automated HOMAG machines, we can load the machines and keep them running during breaks or even after work.
Die Mitarbeiter.
Employees who would have to stay by the machine in traditional manufacturing can instead perform other tasks in our production. This helps us counter the shortage of skilled workers to a certain extent. There have been several milestones in the last 25 years.
With our first machine, a lot of orders came in and we gained many satisfied customers. We grew and then built our production site in Hochweiler in 2010, where we have been steadily expanding ever since.
In 2017, we added our newest building, the current wood production facility, as well as another machining center so that we now have 2 machining centers.
Arbeitungszentren haben.
We then rebuilt our old site in Tumlingen, where the world of window ideas and doors was created. This is one of the largest showrooms in the region.
In recent years, our customers' expectations have risen. It is fair to say that they are on par with the furniture industry.
By using HOMAG machines, we can offer our customers a flawless surface that looks just like a piece of furniture. Thus, we're very happy to have such machines in use. There's a growing market for wood windows and wood aluminum windows,
The future trend is developing ever more towards sustainability.
which is why we are perfectly positioned in the market. I enjoy going to work in the morning because it's an honor for me to carry on the legacy of our family business. I also look forward to seeing the employees every day. It sometimes feels like we're one big family.